There are a number of things that run in my head about Lente tribalism, which seems to be a term reserved for Zulu-speaking people, both in the ANC and some other reactionary forces out there of the ANC. And I think you are right. I mean, you may as well ask this question. So what happens to the ANC people who vote ANC, Abasa KZN? Do you still want to call them tribalists as well? And if so, why not? If not, why not? So why be tribalistic laba abanye abantu abafana nami who voted MK, for an example? But also, let's go back. When Mandela, Tambo, Mbeki, all of them, Xhosa speaking, were leading the ANC, why is it that we never called Abantu Bethu in the Eastern Cape who voted ANC? Why didn't we call them tribalists? Why now? Why do we have this term, tribalism, as if it's a term that is reserved for Zulu-speaking people? But also equally, Abelungu, whether they're Dutch or English, they vote for their own formations as a reactionary, for an example, be it your DA, your Freedom Front Plus, and so forth. Why is it that we are not calling them tribalists? Why tribalism as a term is reserved for Zulu-speaking people? Now, but let's talk about Ugwedegeyena himself. For your benefit and for the benefit of other comrades, I worked with these comrades, in the union movement. And ibona ababethi mabe interact nathi, for an example, batshele thina ukuthi umpoposho, umkhabulo, belongs to the Eastern Cape. Ibona abantu abakhablile ntontoni and so forth, arrogantly so. They used to say that, right? Which then started to create also impression, a wrong impression. Yokuba sengazathi i-ANC kwakuyi-ANC yase-Eastern Cape or something like that. Now, we never called them tribalists when they did that. Because indeed, that was also tribalistic. Into ukuthi uzofuna wena arrogantly so to tell other people that no, inine khabule kangcono and umkhabulo nompoposho loyo, which meant Congress influence, I suppose, in the Eastern Cape and so on. So I'm talking about back in the in the mid 80s to early 90s. That was the phenomenon. Now, and we used to deal with this ourselves as comrades. I got the comrades Lando wrong. Now, I'm surprised because but we say so